Alright, we're going to do a really quick, simple, neutral look. This is the Road Trippin palette from Cara Beauty. We're going to take the M441 brush from Morphe, and we're going to go into this shade right here. It is like a very nice and light neutral color with a slight tint of brown. And we're just going to take this all over our crease and just buff it in really well. So you can see that just did a little bit of color for us. So we're going to go into this shade right here. And whenever you do these, you do want to make sure that you tap off your extra. You don't want too much powder so it doesn't look cakey. And we're just going to go right under that color. We're going to blend the two together and get a nice little ombre color. Lightly go into the darkest brown in this palette. Again, tap everything off. And we're going to keep this on the outer corner. Just like so. So you kind of get something like this. Lastly, we're going to go in with the shimmer. I'm going to go in with this one today and just go all over my lid with my finger. Just like that. So something super sweet, natural. Alrighty, here is the final look. It is so natural, but like glam natural. Everything looks so smooth and ready to go. Like I'm ready to put on a full face, lashes, and pop out the door. I absolutely love this. This look took me maybe like 3 minutes. So I would definitely recommend. And this palette, chef's kiss. Cara Beauty is definitely one of the best palettes that you can get. They are absolutely incredible, and I've never had any splotchiness or patchiness with their palettes, so they're really good, especially for beginners.